name is Alicia Salsabil Waryadinata Bintang. I am 8 years old, but on December 8th, I will be 9 years old. Yay, I am happy. I come from Indonesia. I live in Tasikmalaya. My address is Jamanis. I want to be a designer. My hobbies are drawing, swimming, reading, and writing my diary. And I have a little sister. Her name is Anissa Arsilia Waryadinata Bintang. And I have a mother. Her name is Lisa Mandasari Afilia. And I have a father. His name is Januar Waryadinata Bintang. I will sing a song from Moana's movie. The title is How Far I'll Go. 1, 2, 3. I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect diver, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I tread, every page I meet, every road leads to the place I know where I cannot, where I want to be. See the light that is shining with the sea, it calls me, and none knows how far it goes. If the wind and my sail on the sea stay behind me, one day I know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Oh, 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 oh. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island. So maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make a strong I'll be status. If I play along, butterflies sing a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light of the shine on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. If the sea like is calling out to me, some can find me and let me know. It's beyond that line, well across and land, see the light